As you can see, we have a lot of rolling hills and scenery to go down. We did this last year and we enjoyed the experience, and we thought we'd share it and let other viewers see an opportunity to come back and cut your own tree. You don't need to worry, you don't need four-wheel drive. The road is good, it goes all the way back to where the nursery is. Of course, you pull over, there's multiple cars, there's plenty of room to pull over so the two cars can get by. You just have to take it easy. Here we go. This is the area where all the newer trees are, and you have a little bit more selection and the trees are a little bit fuller. So this is the other side of the nursery with the other trees growing. As you can see, there's quite a new crop coming along. More views of the side of this side of the lot and the trees that are available. And people cut trees and haul. Here we have the young seedlings taking off. This is a future field of Christmas trees soon to come. As you can see, all the seedlings are out there. They're all planted amongst the overgrown ones. And here we are with Wes and Tilly. We've just loaded up our Fraser fir, another beautiful Christmas tree from Naughty Pine Nursery. Again, thank you guys, you do a wonderful job. We're heading home now to undo our Christmas tree, set it up in the stand, and get ready to decorate for Christmas. So another adventure with Art and Tilly out to Naughty Pine Nursery Christmas Tree Farm. Again, great people, a great atmosphere, something that the entire family can enjoy, plenty of help, and you know, great people to work with. Again, Naughty Pine. Hey, take care. Art and Tilly signing out.
Everybody's coming to get a tree. We got our tree.
That's right. Here we go, bringing the tree home. All ready.
Urban cowboy. Yeah.